Hello students, my name is Marcy Wilson, and I wanted to take a few minutes to share with you some job search strategies from your Career Services team. The first step is to blow the dust off that resume that you created in CLD. At this time, you will want to update any of your contact information if it has changed, and make sure that your email is a professional email. We definitely don't want to see any Sexy Kitty 2000 or Studley Man 007s on your resumes. Your name or initial and last name at, for example, gmail.com will be sufficient. You will also want to add any honors, such as honor rolls that you have received while in school or any volunteer opportunities that you may have had. Please save your resume in both Microsoft Word and PDF format. The PDF version is what you send to potential employers. Make sure your Career Services representative has the Word version of your resume. The next thing we want to talk about is a cover letter. A cover letter is going to be a brief overview of your interest in the position and what qualifies you for that position. The first paragraph is going to say who you are. You will introduce yourself, let them know your interest in applying for the position and how you heard of the position. The second paragraph will be a brief synopsis of why the company should choose you. Very briefly, describe your qualifications and incorporate some skills from their job description that you may have. Before beginning your cover letter, take the time to Google cover letters for the specific position you are applying for. While you may use this as a guideline, definitely do not copy them word for word. It needs to be personalized to you and what you offer. Make sure to save the several different versions of cover letters you have written for future use. The next thing we want to talk about are references. Personal references are people whom you have chosen to speak to prospective employers about your skills and personality. It is best to include former supervisors and coworkers in your personal references. Only list people who you know will say good things about you, your work, and your education. Make sure to call potential references. You want to ask their permission before listing them on any document. You may also want to consider asking references if they would write a letter of recommendation for you. You will want to list these references on a separate page and use the same name and contact header you have on your resume. Make sure to always have copies of your references to hand out along with your resume at the interview. Now I want to discuss with you your presence on social media. You will want to update your LinkedIn profile with your new resume and connect with companies that you are interested in. LinkedIn is a great tool to use in your job search. Believe it or not, though, many potential employers check a candidate's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. when trying to get to know the candidate better. Please remember that posts including profanity reflect poorly on you. Posts about alcohol, drugs, and guns are also concerning. Think before you post. Ask yourself if this post reflects well on you as a person or an employee. You want to set daily and weekly goals for your job search. Strive to apply for 5 job leads a day. Researchers show that for every 10 jobs you apply for, you will get 1 interview, so do not get discouraged if your phone is not ringing off the wall at first. Please reach out to everyone you know and let them know you're starting your job search. You should ask friends and family for leads. Collect leads from Career Services or your instructor. You may also research job opportunities from the company's websites. Make sure to search for leads on big job sites like Monster.com, Indeed, or Career Builder. Also become a member of professional organizations in your industry and attend their events. Those are great networking opportunities. Visit staffing agencies. Many companies are using staffing agencies now for all of their hiring needs. Search the newspaper and their websites for leads as well. You may also cold call on businesses in your field or industry and attend career fairs. Remember, it is your responsibility to find yourself a job, so treat your job search like it is your full-time job right now. Keep yourself on track throughout the month by taking the time to write thank you notes to interviewers, do drop-bys of businesses in your area, follow up on positions you've already applied for, and also you can schedule a mock interview or check-in appointment with Career Services. Volunteer your time in a related field. Volunteer time shows character and it is a free experience. Lastly, I want to leave you with my contact information again. I am here to assist you in your job search, and if you have any questions or need any advice, please reach out to me. Have a wonderful day and get out there and get that job.